Here at Lucid, we have hundreds of engineers across dozens of Scrum teams. As we work on new initiatives, have new engineers join the team, and adjust to new business realities, it can be challenging to find the optimal team structures. Do we have enough senior engineers on each Scrum team? Does each Scrum team have the skills they need to deliver features independently? Once we have engineers on a team, we still also need to think about who is the right Scrum Master for that team. We also need to think about product managers, QA, and UX. Ultimately, we're trying to answer the question, are we efficiently staffing the most critical projects? And once we do, how do we keep everyone, not just R&D, but everyone across the company aligned on the changes? We tried using spreadsheets and other products to make sense of all of this, but those tools don't provide what we really need. What we need is the clarity of thought and clarity of communication that comes from visualizations. So we use Lucid to visualize our Scrum teams. Here's how we do it. We export a CSV file from our HRIS system. We import that CS file into Lucid. That automatically gives us an org chart, and we can see our reporting structure. We can then quickly create a group view with Scrum team as the grouping. By adding in some conditional formatting rules, it's easy to spot any changes we make to Scrum teams or to the reporting structure. We can distinguish roles like who's a product manager, who's UX, a senior engineer versus a junior engineer. All that allows us to quickly visually understand what's going on with our Scrum teams. With that information, we have what we need to create scenarios and begin to make decisions. It's not hidden off in a spreadsheet or a Word doc, but it's immediately understandable and available to us in the visualization. So once adjustments have been made and finalized, we publish this as the source of truth for the entire company. We can quickly look at who's on what team, it's easier to communicate changes, and our org is more agile and can quickly shift to accomplish the most critical work.